Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty so Allah gives you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life. And please yours you also pray for me. I hope you are waiting my latest video. So girls, the wait is over. Today I bring some special beautiful crochet Amigurumi doll free ideas, beautiful toys, so please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting variety, different ideas, mind-blowing pattern. Very nice, beautiful designing. Hopefully like this. Mind-blowing ideas, fabulous crocheting work, different designing, different ideas. Some are beautiful crochet dresses wearing ideas, some are light color, dark color, color contrast, plain color ideas, multicolors. Rainbow colors, most demanding collection. Beautiful ideas, hopefully like this. Follow my channel, like and share my video with your family, friends, sweet cousins, neighbors and your colleagues. Press the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work. And you can see many more ideas about crochet in my channel, like crochet dresses, crochet amigurumi free pattern, and different free ideas, jewelry, beautiful dresses, handbags. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and peace be for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Goodbye.